This is Sonia. She's 18 years old. She's just one of millions of factory workers that have been affected by the collapse of the global fashion and clothing industry caused by the coronavirus pandemic.
I'm in a lot of difficulties after I lost my job. I don't have money to pay for my rent and food. My husband is the only breadwinner. We can't run our family with his sole income, so I'm in great difficulty.
Bangladesh is the world's second largest exporter of clothes. The industry there employs more than 4 million workers, and most of them are women. At the start of the pandemic, many brands cancelled their existing orders, leaving people like Sonia unpaid for work they'd already done. Clothing sales also plummeted, meaning that right now brands want to get rid of existing stock rather than place new orders.
At the moment, I have no money. I'm still waiting for my wages to be paid. I've borrowed money from others to do my food shopping. I'm going through a really tough time now that I'm without a job.
What's happening in Bangladesh hasn't gone unnoticed, especially online. Influencers and celebrities have accused brands of cancelling their existing orders by using the hashtag #PayUp. Remake, an advocacy organisation, started the campaign to push for orders by global brands to be paid in full.
This did not just happen in Bangladesh, but also in Ethiopia, Cambodia, Pakistan, India, and beyond. We launched the Pay Up campaign to demand that brands honor their contracts, that they're taking orders that have been produced for them without asking for delays, changes in payment terms, or discounts.
And the campaign wants to protect workers going forward too.
As we look towards the fall, orders continue to contract and look nowhere close to what order demand was a year ago.
I've been asking some of the brands being called out on social media what actions they're taking. Some of them didn't reply to the request. However, Gap have said,
Gap Incorporated will work with its vendors to compensate them in full for finished goods and goods in production that were cancelled.
Primark also responded saying,
We have committed to pay in full for all products that we would have anticipated being finished and or in production.
Whether big brands decide to pay up or not, it's clear that garment workers are facing a really tough time ahead. And even though the Bangladeshi government announced a $588 million fund to help workers, there are questions over whether this is enough. For people just like Sonia, it seems that job security is what they want the most.
If I get a good job now, I can run my family well. I can have a happy family life.